Name the corresponding parts of these congruent triangles. We have triangle CWS is congruent to triangle ATZ. We can get these 6 corresponding parts from our congruent statement. Let's start with the angles. We have angle C corresponding with angle A. Therefore, angle C is congruent to angle A. We have W corresponding with the letter T. Therefore, angle W is congruent to angle T. Finally, S corresponds to Z. Therefore, angle S is congruent to angle Z. Now let's look at the corresponding sides. CW corresponds with AT. So segment CW is congruent to segment AT. We have WS corresponding with TZ. So segment WS is congruent to segment TZ. And finally, we have CS corresponding with AZ. So segment CS is congruent to segment AZ. And there are our 6 corresponding parts of those 2 congruent triangles.